Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili verde with beef. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 pounds of beef chuck roast, 1.5 pounds of tomatillos, 2 poblano peppers, and 4 jalapeno peppers. Don't forget 1 large onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and 3 cups of chicken broth. These fresh components are the foundation for a truly delicious and hearty chili. Next, we'll start building those incredible flavors. Begin by roasting your tomatillos and peppers until they're nicely softened and slightly charred. This step adds a wonderful depth. Then, sear your 2 pounds of beef chuck roast in a Dutch oven until it's beautifully browned on all sides. After removing the beef, sauté 1 large onion and 4 cloves of garlic until fragrant. Deglaze the pot with 1 cup of chicken broth. Now it's time for the magic of simmering. Return the seared beef to the pot, along with your roasted tomatillos and peppers. Pour in 3 cups of chicken broth. Stir in 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano for that classic chili verde aroma. Let this simmer gently for 2 to 3 hours, allowing the beef to become incredibly fork tender and the flavors to meld perfectly. Finally, let's finish this amazing chili verde. Once the beef is perfectly tender, use 2 forks to shred it right in the pot, allowing it to absorb all those wonderful juices. Stir in 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro for a vibrant, herbaceous touch. Serve your hearty chili verde hot, perhaps with warm tortillas or fluffy rice. A dollop of sour cream and a sprinkle of cheese make fantastic garnishes. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.